Alright guys, in this video we're going to install and activate the Pip Juice Indicator. To get the Pip Juice Indicator, you're going to come into your AkashX back office at account.akashx.com, and once you're in there, you'll click on Digital Products and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Pip Juice. I already have it. It'll tell you to buy a subscription. You'll click on buy a subscription, and then it'll give you a few options where you can pay from your credit wallet. If you have commissions, you can use your commissions to pay from it. Or if you need to do a combination of commissions and your credit card because you don't have enough commissions, you can do that as well. And you can pay with crypto. They give you a few different ways to pay, but go ahead and pay for it. And then once you come back, this will be activated, and then you do need a TradingView.com account. And there's a button below this video where you can just click on that and you'll create your TradingView account. And then the username that you create when you create your account, you'll need that here. Once you have your new username, you'll bring that back here and enter the username in this box, and then click on grant access. And once access is granted, your screen will look like this. And the next thing that we need to do is we'll come to our TradingView chart. I'm on BTC USD just for right now because the regular Forex market isn't open. I'm using BTC USD for this example, for this video. But first thing you're going to do is click on indicators here. And then, no, actually, before we do that, we want to click on the time and click on 15 minutes. And then down here below where it says 1 day, click on 1 day and then click on 15 minutes. We're in the right range. And then click on indicators, and then you'll click on invite only, and then you'll start Pip Juice and then click on it, and that'll add it to the chart. It'll be kind of jumbled up. We'll need to use our mouse to scroll in. And we'll hover over the price over here on the left and use our mouse to scroll out. We can see the entry points, the entries and the take profits, and for the sell and the buy. The way that this works, it gives you 2 entry points depending on the session that you're in. You can double click it. If we're in New York, we're going from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's our range to take trades. I'm probably personally going to get in here around 8 o'clock and set up my pending trades. But you'll come in here, you'll select the New York session or the Asian session, which is between 7 and 9 p.m. And we trade from either 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. or 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. We'll come in here, and that'll be our window to put in our pending orders. And what this indicator does is give you the pending orders. Either it's going to do a buy, and these are the buy pending orders, or it's going to give you the sell pending orders. And when the market opens, it's going to hit one of these at some point, and they'll just stay pending until we hit the price. For instance, this one, we hit the sell stop entry, and we almost hit TP1 too on that, but we hit the sell stop entry. It would have entered in the trade if we entered in here, but I'll go over that more in the next video. This one is just to get it added to your TradingView. That's really it. We have it added to our TradingView now, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.